What up, man?
My boy.
You know, just a couple quick things. You know, thank you to a few people, like seriously, for helping us put this meet together tonight. If we can really loudly thank Butler for the pizza. That was very nice.
Thank
of
you,
them.
Butler.
Thank you for hosting us. And you know, oftentimes I get text messages while I'm trying to do whatever you want. So tonight is a little bit of a different night. We often get together to do certain things for people. You know, we had a great Christmas. Foster family. I want you guys to know they did take their car into the shop last week. That was the last thing that we were going to do for them, and they got it all fixed up. So thanks Solo Motorsports for taking care of that cost. Thank you guys. That was very nice. And thank you again to everyone. We have talked to the family, and with what we gave them and how it left them financially, the mother was able to file for full custody of both children. So that's the impact that our Christmas gave to them. So after 4 years of not seeing her kids, except on every other weekend, she now has been able to get full custody. She's caught back up on her rent. She's got food on the table, and her kids are with her every day. So awesome thing, guys. That was amazing. You know, and then Ty mentioned the rally. We fully support that, guys. If you can go, have some fun. I know some of y'all have never been on a rally. It might be fun, Malik, to learn. Just saying.
I'm driving a GCR, man.
But one of the reasons that we really put behind us as a club, and granted, not all of us come from different backgrounds, not all of us have different, visions of the future, but we all have common love for our cars, and that's what has brought us together. Over the last, 8-9 months, we've gone from 5 cars to 156 members of DDATL Exotics. So we are now probably the biggest, most organized, and I would absolutely say the highest integrity club around. So thank you all. Tonight, is a little different. You want to come up next to me for a second? So you guys all know Roman, this guy who follows us around incessantly like a stalker, takes pictures of who knows what, sends us a few that he can, right? But good kid. He's been solid for our group, and we even got him an DDATL staff shirt. So
he's on the payroll now. He's on payroll.
But often we look outward to help, and this time we looked inward. So about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, Roman, after spending his own gas money to follow us around, hours of time behind the camera helping us out, giving us pictures for our cars and content for our social media. We watched a video of him doing a burnout in a parking lot, and maybe shortly thereafter, we found out he had a blown motor in his car. So he's been borrowing mom and dad's car, trying to get to work. He's been catching rides with us to the shows, walking. Think about that as y'all get in your Ferraris and Lamborghinis.
You don't walk in
And
the
Lexus.
Lexus don't walk.
That's close to walking. Same speed.
He's not talking now, man.
Yeah, man.
I'll always have one. Don't worry. I'll always go with that.
I'm gonna pass off for you.
But tonight, we wanted to do something nice for you. And an easy way, you know, to really say thanks, it was hard to find. And, you know, we're a car club, and we know that you've been vehically challenged. Yes. So, a lot of people for the last 2 months have been spending hours and hours and hours going looking at different cars, some near-death experiences. You know, Gray himself put over 19 hours behind the wheel looking at different cars, trying to figure out what we wanted to do to help you. So we reached out to the car community, and a lot of companies and a lot of people came together. Everybody here donated. Everybody here either gave money, time, effort, everything they had. You know, even when some of these guys haven't really had the chance to get to know you like that, when you become family. So Mark at A&A, Buckhead Imports, Butler Tire, Crew Automotive, Eurofed, Take 5, Jennifer, and Rip and Jamie, we all got together and we wanted to give you a replacement set of wheels. So if you park the C's this way, we've got you your new ride. Wheels courtesy of Butler. Custom headlights. Leather seats, fully serviced.
It's kind of like
a year of free service. Take 5. That's it. Yeah. This is yours.
I don't really know what to say.
Say something. Everyone's looking at you.
It's been a little difficult trying to get around and get out to do shoots without having much transportation. A minivan is great, it's fun, but this is one of the greatest things that has ever happened to me. So I've never had a group of people. I've never had a group of people that I can get around and say they're family, that I can say I belong there.
Yes, absolutely.
And to be able to come out on weekends, to come out on weekdays and be around this group and to be a part of it is one of the best things I could ever ask for. So thank you guys all.
Yeah!
So really quickly, there's one more little piece to the pie here, a little cherry on top. With new cars comes new car insurance bills and gas money, and now you don't have to worry about any of that actually because our guys right here at Eurofed have something else to hop to you.
Thank you.
Amazing.
So, welcome to the club.
Thank you.
And we took a vote, and this is the only Jeep we consider an exotic.
I love it.
Congratulations.
I've always wanted a Jeep too.
So, a couple things you got to do. So we already got the title. It's sitting on my dresser. I forgot it. But we've already had it tagged. Get with Juan. Where's Juan? Get with Juan. He's going to finish up your paperwork. We'll take care of the taxes on it and everything. You got your gas money and your insurance money from Eurofed. Thank you, gentlemen. That was very kind. New wheels by Butler Tire. The car by everybody else. You're good to go. So spend the next few minutes and take some pictures of your own car.
Thank you.
All right, buddy? Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I can't wait to drive this thing.
You get to drive it home tonight.
I'm so excited.
No burnouts. No burnouts.
I think it's still running. That's cool, man.
Big shout out to Eurofed, everyone that was involved in this.
I think my sub will fit back there.
I know.
You guys over here making little kids cry.
This is amazing. I always talk about getting this.
So you got room for your camera equipment.
I love it.
We've replaced. I mean, it went through a full mechanical. We replaced the brakes, the tires, and everything are brand new. We painted your calipers for you here at Butler. All the service has been up to date. Every fluid's been changed. Every filter's been changed. It's in mint shape. It's already had emissions. We already have the title in your name. You're ready to go.
And you can film sick rollers from the back.
Yes, sick rollers from the back.
Yeah. If I ever trust somebody to drive it.
From both sides, because you got two windows.
Yeah.
You don't just go out one
So
side.
we figured this, you know, and it's four-wheel drive. No, but it is four-wheel drive, so you got a safe, reliable car to maintain. You got a year's worth of free oil changes at Take 5, which is Robert and Katie's place.
Okay.
So they're going to take care of you on oil changes, and you get a year's free car washes at any of their car wash locations. You've got your gas money, you've got your insurance money. Get with Juan, sign the title, sign the paperwork, and you're good. But it's all tagged. You're good to go.
This is amazing.
The registration's in the glove box.
This is amazing.
Hell yeah, man.
I'm shaking because it's like freezing.
Well, turn your heat on.
Yeah, you got here.
This is amazing. My old car didn't have that actually.
Yeah,
Well,
you gotta
you do
hear it
now.
out, yeah.
And even cooler. So turn on the headlights. These we had custom made because we didn't like how bright the old ones were, so we had these custom made. Right? So you got some badass HIDs.
Ooh, we got
I didn't even move with
HIDs.
that. No, I've got
HIDs
special
in the
precautions
wheels.
in place, and I actually like it if someone totals my car because then
It's over with. You guys see, this is how we do it.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
You have fun. Like you love.
even though we didn't bring out an exotic.
Take care, Raph. Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, Brandon. I know. Jeep. Ooh.
Hi, I'm Roman Rothman. r.rothman.photography on Instagram. I just got a new car.
Yeah, so what you think, man? Like, were you expecting any of this to like come about?
So I was told that something was going on and that they were planning something, but I didn't know exactly what it was going to be. I didn't know what the wheels were going to be. I didn't even know I was getting wheels until like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But everything was completely unexpected as far as what it came out to be.
Yeah. Okay,
So.
man. That's what's up, man. I'm glad we could like make this a real thing and give back to our community.
I'm super happy about it. Daily Driven Atlanta is like a family to me.
Yeah.
The fact that they did this is just beyond like my wildest dreams. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And I'm just thankful to everybody that's a part of the group.
Yes, sir.
Who is this? Oh, you. Nah, give me a hug.
That's how we do it, man. We're family out here.
Go ahead,
DDATL Exotic.